Thank you very much for offering us this chance to introduce our office. In a place where I come from, which is a town located 120 kilometers to the north of Baghdad, it is named Samarra, which is a part of Salahuddin Governorate. A very little attention is given to those essential and very vital meaning of environment and sustainability. Due to the priorities of the people, which is involved for more than 5 decades in a state of war, those values have deteriorated or highly harmed because next priority. So our office have the honor of pioneering tremendous work of saving environment and empowering the values of mankind in a clever way, which is well accepted by people here in Iraq. For that, our office feel eligible to any finance essential to continue the mission. Our office manage and monitor the environment and social plan in Salahuddin, which is a governorate in Iraq, as I stated before, since 2017, and for more than 7 mega projects, which is a part of the rehabilitation for some very important infrastructure projects in Iraq, like roads and bridges. Winning this prize will help us continue our noble mission. Thank you very much. Ali Hussein Ahmed, head of the Al-Rahmani office for engineering. Thank you.